So hello my friend, as I told you people, I will come soon with a new video for the same chapter, synthetic fiber and the plastic, and this is part 2. So in this part 2, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn about the plastics, the type of plastic, what kind of arrangement do they have, why we are using plastic so much, what is the difference between the biodegradable and non-biodegradable substances, and the relation between the plastic and the environment. So plastic is a very common name which we are, that which we is a part of our life. It is very common name because a number of things which we are using in our home, at our home, in our life, that is made up of plastic. The plastic is also a synthetic material, it is a chemical based material, and which can be molded or set into any shape, any color, any desired thing which we want, and then we can be hardened. After giving the particular shape, it can be hardened to give a particular useful durable article, the thing which we want to use. But as these are also polymers, so that's why they will also use word, they are also synthetic fibers. So polymerization reaction is also required in making plastic. And how that we can say, we can combine a large number of monomers, a great number of large number, you can say monomer units, we have to combine together by the reaction that is known as polymerization reaction, and it will give the another synthetic polymer that you call as plastic. Now, based on the arrangements, how these monomers which you're talking about, to monomers which are used to make plastic as a polymer, so how the arrangement is there. There are two type of arrangement can be here. The one is a linear one, as you can see in the first picture, the linear, where they are just in a single line, they are combined together, right? The second one, they're cross-linked from each and every, you can say direction, they are interlinked with each other. It's a kind of net-like structure, right? So these are the cross-link. And you can say with the help of this arrangement, you can just find out the plastic which are having the linear arrangement of monomers, they can be easily molded, right? You can heat them, you can mold them easily. But the cross-link, that is difficult to set them, to remold them, and to set them into the new shape after deforming the previous one, because the arrangement is cross-linked, and that will not as possible as we can do in case of linear arrangement, right? So what are the type of plastic, and what kind of arrangement do they have? Let's go about in which type which is carrying the you can say arrangement as linear, and which one is carrying the arrangement as cross-linked. The two type of plastic we have, that is thermosetting and thermoplastic. So thermoplastics are the plastic in which we can see the linear kind of arrangement we can find out. The linear, the monomers are arranged in a linear way. Linear arrangement is there because they can be deformed, they can be they can become softened, they can be bent easily. We can if you heat them, you can just give the desired shape, you can mold them, and that's why the arrangements in them, that is what, that is a linear arrangement. Example, PVC. As you can see the picture over there, is an example of, you can say, the thermoplastic which can remold into the another shape. Polythene we have, a cellophane sheet we have, pipes we have, PVC items we have, polythene items we have. So these two examples which we can use to make different items which are used at home, in the market, and outside also. These are all the thermoplastic which can be remolded easily, right? And linear arrangement they have. The second one we have the thermosetting. Thermosetting means you set ho gaya so ho gaya. So it is difficult make them to just give to another shape. The plastic which when molded ones can't be softened by heating. If you heat them, they can't be softened, they can't be remolded into the new shape. And those plastic are known as thermosetting. And what kind of arrangement do they have? Yes, they have cross-linked arrangement, because that is difficult to break that link, and you can say to give a desired one. That's why. So there are so many items, as you can see, the bangles we have, the telephone, and the pipes and all, the plates and all. These are kind of what? These are kind of the thermosetting plastic which you can't remold again and again, even by heating as well. So the most common example, the material which are used to make these items which you use at home, that is melamine and bakelite. So these are the one, and these plastics are so useful hai, but the drawback is what? You can't remold into the new shape even after the heating, that we can do in case of thermoplastic. So the bakelite, and because the plastic is every time you can see that is they are poor conductor of heat and electricity, and that's why they are used to make so many things like bangles. So we use it for as an accessory. But the other useful thing or also we can take from the bakelite, that is it is used for making wires. It means the covering of that, they can say handles, switches and all. So if the switches they are not using the bakelite, what will happen? We may get current, right? If handles of utensils they are not made up of bakelite, what will happen? We may just get the heat and it may hurt us, right? So that's why it is a very, very good material used in our kitchen at our home. Melamine is also very useful kind of product. It is different from bakelite. This is better. Why? It can tolerate heat better than the other, you can say bakelite or plastic, and it resists fire. That is the main feature what melamine is having, that is the resist fire. That's why it is used in what? The firemen dress also. The material for firemen which they use, they use melamine to make it. This is for making fireproof dresses, as the firemen, as I told, tiles, kitchenware, because these are the things which, especially the thing which you're using in the kitchen, they should be they should resist fire, so that they should not catch fire, because you know how dangerous it can be. So that is, they have very, very main function. Plastics are material of choice. You know the why we use plastic. Although plastic is a biodegradable substance, no doubt in that, right? If we say the you can say the peels of vegetable, the fruits, the waste, the animal excreta, the plants waste material, everything they are biodegradable because they can decompose easily, right? We can make compost or other thing. They are not harming the environment. But the plastic, if you see on the other hand, they are non-biodegradable, plastic, metals and all. That's why, yeah, there is a thing that we should reduce, we should minimize the production of plastics and all. Whatever the plastic we have, we should reuse it, you can say revise the use of plastics and all, reduce the use of plastic and all. But still we see that there are so many uses of plastic we have. That's why the plastic is a part of our life. Although we can't ignore that it is harming the environment because it is non-biodegradable. You can't degrade it easily. It takes some years and years to degrade a small piece of plastic as well. And that's why it is releasing the toxic material that's harming the environment, harming the soil and everything, right? And that's why it is a alarming situation. We have to replace plastic also. But yeah, as we say, the plastic are useful also. First, let us find out why we use plastic so much. They are lightweighted, they are light in weight, strong, durable, different colors, cheaper, non-reactive, non-corrosion. That's why we use to keep our things like chutney, pickles and such kind of thing, which should be stored in such thing which should not react easily, because they contain acids and all. So that's why they are safer to control, to use, to keep such things, pickles and all, which contain acids. So that's why it is useful as well. It's nahi hai, useful nahi hai. Metals, they get corrode easily, like iron, rusting, very familiar word to you. But this is non-corrosion also, poor conductor of heat and electricity. That's why they are used to make switches, you can say handles, and they resist fire also, as we have seen in case of bakelite and melamine. No doubt they are useful also, but we can't ignore. हम अपने benefits के लिए हम environment को harm नहीं कर सकते, right? That is also we have to think. So biodegradable material, they are decomposed by microorganisms easily. Organic, like we can say paper, animal waste, plant waste, peels of fruits, vegetable and all, and they do not cause any kind of pollution to environment, right? And what is the origin of such waste? That is obviously the plant and animal. Non-biodegradable substances, as they are inorganic, they are chemical based, they can't decompose by microorganisms, and that's why they are harming. They are creating a lot of garbage to the, to our earth, and that's why, because they are not degrading easily, that's why they will keep collecting, and how harmful. We have seen the picture on Google, we have seen the picture in the news, or and TV also, that plastics, how they are affecting not only the land but also the water also, the aquatic life, the stray animals and all. How? I will tell you later on. So it causes environmental pollution, and the material like man-made, all the man-made synthetic material, like we have plastic, glass, synthetic fibers and all, which do not decompose by microorganism. That's why we have to think about this situation, because already we have, create a lot of problems for our earth, and you can say for ourselves as well. So you can see the picture how these biodegradable and non-biodegradable material, how much time they need to, you can say, degrade themselves to, to decompose easily. So we'll say the natural thing like peels of vegetable, fruits, leftover food that take 1 to 2 weeks. Biodegradable compost बनता है, useful. So soil fertility, yeah. Paper take 10 to 30 days. Biodegradable है, it is easy to decompose. Yeah, cotton cloth. Cotton is a fiber that is a plant origin is there. So 2 to 5 months, that is also fine. Wood, wood is a natural thing. It is not harming the environment. It is a fuel. It is very useful. You know that how trees are useful. They are friends. They are life actually. So 10 to 15 years, chalega, no issue in that. Woolen clothes about a year, fine, biodegradable. It's okay. That is also not harming because the origin is actually the nature, animals, plants, and all. So they are not harming anything. Now, if you see the metals like tin, aluminum, metal cans, and all, 100 to 500 years, and they will we are keep collecting them. How will decompose them? How can we deal with such garbage also? You know, at some places in Delhi or in even outside also, not in Delhi only, outside also, we have a mountain of garbage and all, and we are not thinking about the same, right? That actually that is, you are the future of the nation. You have to think, you have to do something. You can create awareness. Start from your home, start from your neighbors, start from your friends, relatives. You can do it. Yes, you can. And plastic bag, the plastic things, several years we have, they are also non-biodegradable. And the plastic, that's why the metals, plastic, they are actually a question of concern. We have to keep thinking. Okay, the plastic and the environment. Why we have to think of the plastic? You can see picture how scary picture we can see on the screen, and it is really, it is heart melting pictures. You can see how badly it is affecting. In the first picture, you can see the plastics and all, they are stagnant. The water is the, you can say, collecting the, it is creating problem for the aquatic life, animals and fish and all. You can see that how picture, you can see it is affecting you. The second, when we are burning plastic, what the smoke, the harmful gases are released, and that's why how harmful it can be. You can see into that. And you can see if you're just throwing the plastic and all, so you see how much garbage in such a small picture. You can see that. And then these kind of, the animals, when they swallow, because the stray animals, we have dogs, cows, and there are so many animals which they do not have home. They don't get good food. So what, from where they get the food? They get the food from the garbage. And when they swallow the plastic material, because they're hungry, they are not, they don't have that much the alignment to open the plastic and to have the food. So sometimes it chokes the respiratory system, they can die. And even if they just take inside the stomach, that they harm the digestive system also, which is also not good for health, right? Plastic are non-biodegradable. They take years and years and years to be good. Not a good thing. It will cause pollution, as I told, pollution to water, to land, to air, everywhere. Burning of plastic is air pollution, you can say, concern, and which is causing the cancer also. How badly it is. Animals, when they swallow these kind of material containing plastic, they can choke the respiratory system and lead to death. And when we're throwing plastic, even if they can create a problem for us also, because they blocks the drains and all, we have seen that, right? Plastic reaches the water bodies and kill the organism like fishes. So this is how badly they are. That's why it's a time to think what we can do, how to control plastic. So there are 4 R's. We have reduce, reuse, recycle, recover, and all. And what we can do, we follow the 4 R's. And even now we have 5 R's actually. One more R we can use, that is refuse. Refuse the use of plastic. You can say follow 5 R principle. Take your natural things, cotton, jute, and any such thing. And even if you have the plastic polythene, reuse them. Don't throw them. Don't take a new one. Say I am having already, just use the previous one only, and minimize the use as much you can, right? We should not, what we should not do it, we should not throw plastic, because it may create the problem to us, that blocks the train and all, right? And they will give a birth to the new diseases, new microbes and all. That is also not good. Don't burn plastic. A lot of smoke that may cause the cancer as well. Don't put food waste in plastic and dump in waste, because the animals, they can affect. Don't throw it even in the sea and such on water, because they can affect the aquatic life as well. So I hope As I told, you are the future, you can understand it, and you can only bring the change. So don't forget and bring the change. Even if you are able to change the thinking of 2-3%, that is means you have achieved something. And this is the inner happiness what you will get now, that is, that is of another level. So just try once, huh? So thank you again so much. I hope you like the video. You have learned about the chapters, and the chapter is over, both the parts. Just watch it to learn about synthetic fibers and plastic. But as I told, don't forget to support. Thank you so much, and we'll come soon with another video with the next chapter. So bye, take care, and see you soon.